Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the floating dry dock. Now this dry dock will allow the ships to be lifted out of the water to be maintained or repaired. So this dry dock is going to the German shipyard and it's currently in Jamaican waters. It's now at Kingston Wharves. So it's actually in Jamaican waters, and this dry dock is sailing from Germany. It's traveling from Germany all the way to Jamaica, and it's in Jamaica now. And it's supposed to be at the German shipyard tomorrow. So we will give you an update video on it as it arrives as soon as possible. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on the dry dock and what it means for Jamaica. Because Jamaica has three significant events happening in August. One, the Maypen to Mandeville leg or Highway 2000 is opening. Two, the Harborview to Yalos end of the Southern Coastal Highway is opening. And three, the dry dock is to arrive in Jamaica. So the dock is here. It's going to be located at the German shipyard tomorrow. And so we're just going to give you some information on what this dry dock means for Jamaica. Within the next 18 months, a floating dry dock is to be established in Jamaica to improve the country's competitiveness in providing wide-ranging ancillary services to ships traversing the east, west, and north-south international shipping lanes. This was disclosed by Director General of the Maritime Authority of Jamaica, Rear Admiral Retired Peter Brady. Rear Admiral Brady emphasized that a ship has to be dry docked periodically, which is a statutory requirement of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, of which international maritime organizations contracting states are signatories. During dry docking, the entire ship is brought to land so that the submerged portion of the hull can be cleaned or inspected. Rear Admiral Brady pointed out that installation of the floating dock would enhance ship repair services already being provided in Jamaica for vessels in operation. The floating dry dock is a big plus for Jamaica because the ships that are trading here don't have to go to some faraway place while they are doing their trading. They can simply plan for a week or two to do the kind of dry dock and maintenance that they need and be on their way again. They won't need to do a big diversion to carry out their statutory requirements, he said. According to Rear Admiral Brady, if a port has the reputation of being able to attend to the needs of a ship, such as emergency repairs or inspections, with the necessary inputs and professionals in place, as will be strengthened in Jamaica's case, it is a plus for that facility. It will earn the reputation of being a reliable port that ships would want to call at, he contended. The MAJ Director General pointed out that Jamaica, through its geographical location, makes it strategic for ships that trade on the north-south and east-west international shipping lanes to call at local ports for ancillary services, inclusive of dry docking, bunkering, crewing, and the provisioning of supplies. Alright guys, so that is the end of the article that gives you more information on what dry docking is. And this is a billion-dollar venture that's going on in Jamaica. Now, the dock is going to, I think it's called Dock 5 now, but once it is commissioned in Jamaica, that's licensed, registered in Jamaica, it will be renamed Jam Dock 1. That's Jam Dock 1. And it's definitely going to be a plus for Jamaica. This is going to open up a whole new industry for Jamaica. And there are a lot of international players involved, and it's a good joint venture thing for both the local companies and the foreign companies. So we'll keep you guys updated. Of course, we're going to make a video of when the ship arrives at the dry dock. Now, once it's commissioned as Jam Dock 1, it's going to take, or when the dry dock arrives, it's going to take a few weeks for them to set it up and get it operational. So they're hoping to get it operational by the end of the year. And we will keep you guys updated on what's going on with it. And you can look out for a video over the weekend, as we will definitely be going out to the port or to the German shipyard to give you an update as to what it looks like and where it's physically located. So you can look out for that video. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.